stay flawless.
Alright people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Alright, ladies and gents, boys and girls, what's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So today we are about to open this. Check that out. The Zhiyun Smooth-Q gimbal stabilizer for smartphone, 3.5 inch to 6 inches in dimension. This is for your mobile phone. You can also hook your GoPro and other DSLR cameras out there. Other than that, without further ado, let's get down to business. I'm gonna leave all the details on screen. Okay, I'm gonna leave all the details on screen, all you need to know about this product. So take your time to read it out. Other than that, without further ado, let's get down to business. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time, share the video if it's any useful to you. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I'm gonna open the box now. That's good enough. Inside. Let's check out the box. What the box is all about. That's what the box looks like. So that is what the box. That's the front of the box, by the way. I like the box, pretty cute. So what you should expect in the box, it comes with a USB cable, comes with a case, a carrier case, and the gimbal itself. Still with the box, I didn't mention this, direct mobile charging through your gimbal, instant manual zooming control, 12 hours continue work time, so the battery will last 12 hours, two-way mounting frame for easy switch. Okay, we're gonna put all that to the test, no worries. Okay, pretty much like the box, by the way. I like the packaging. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. That's number one. Seems like we've got a little accessory here. I'm gonna have to squeeze my hands all over the place. Accessories, manual. Okay, put it on the side for now. On your USB cable, I think that's a normal, yeah, that's just a normal USB cable. All right, that's pretty much it. Put it on the side for now. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wow, this is beautiful. I like the feel. It's not rugged by any means, but this will protect your asset. Okay, and it's free, by the way, like that. All right, so I kind of like choose the darker one, which is the black one. Okay, this is what it looks like. You have all your comments right here. I hope you can see this thing properly. There we go. Okay, all your comments are here. On and off button, just push it up there. Plus record. You got your mode buttons here, the directional button. Okay, up and down, left and right, side to side. The width on the side, slightly on the side of it, you have your USB port. That's gonna be for your for the charging. That's the charging port, I believe. This is to mount to any of your tripod if you got tripods, which you want to mount it to. I've seen many of those, the one that's selling in America, coming in the box with the tripod. Okay, now if you want to charge your phone with this, because you can do that as well, that is the USB port for it. Okay, because this is gonna behave like a battery bank. Okay, it's pretty light in terms of build quality and heaviness. Is pretty light. Okay, we kind of went over the handle. You can see the handle goes 360. All right, it goes 360. Let's talk a little bit about the top. This is the bit that's gonna hold your mobile phone in place. Okay, you can adjust, you know, a couple of adjustments. You can switch landscape mode or portrait mode. Okay, pretty simple. Turn the knob. The knob is pretty solid. I think it's made of metal. The rest, couple of pieces are made of metal and the rest is plastic, which makes it very, very portable. Okay, it's pretty portable. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm not going to be going too much into too many details. I'm going to leave all the links on screen for you to read what this is mainly about, the technical parts and so on and so forth. So yeah, these got another, how do you call it, adjuster here. You use this to adjust, you know. I'll show you that in the demo because I'm gonna be demonstrating this. So let's not waste too much time on it. One balance compared to the older version. The older version, you have to do a couple of things to balance your stuff. This time you just put your mobile right here, adjust state, push your mobile all the way to here, on adjust state. Just one single move will balance your phone. You should be ready to go. All right, let me pause that. So what's inside the box? What's inside the box? This is what we have inside the box. That's exactly what you should expect buying this product. Okay, so this is the Smooth-Q from Zhiyun. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. Comes with the manual, the gimbal itself, a strap for your carrier. Okay, this is gonna be your carrier pouch or whatever you want to call it, and the USB cable. So I must give them that. This is a good quality USB cable. Okay, it's not a cheap one. Flat, as you can see, pretty good. With this product, I'm just gonna put a little warning sign there. Make sure you double check the compatibility with your device, whatever you got, whatever phone you have out there. Okay, I know this will work with the S series of Samsung all the way to the S8 and S8 Plus, the iPhone, but the iPhone 8 apparently is not supported. So you just got to bear that in mind. It's something that you can double check, you know, because you can double check that out. The battery is pretty good, but we're gonna put that to the test. Operating time 8 hours to 12 hours. Okay, so this comes with its own apps as well. All right, so I've not mentioned that, but it comes with its own apps. So this is what the apps will look like and what platform it does support. Okay, so this do not include Microsoft in there, Android and iOS. Okay, doing right now, it's very pretty simple. I'm gonna be you know, taking a short footage with the gimbal. All right, so without further ado, let's get down to business, guys. light, green light, red light, red light, humber, green light, let's try, red light, rumba, green light, let's try, let's try, let's try, let's try, let's try, humber, green light, let's try, let's try, let's try, let's try, switch it, I'm by fly, I'm by roll, I'm on the road, 24/7, make meals, think meals, new plans, every day, investments, entrepreneurial, minded old ways, never waste time, fly, high, yes I love, I'm a table, the Lord God Perry, just like David, I'll be smiling, straight to heaven, give it to my body, the switch gear on it, I never waste time, with no fake ass bitches, I never waste time, with no fake ass assholes, I never waste time, with a fucking ass race, I never waste time, with a fucking ass boy, that is my joint, just smoke it up, move it up, and this is the new plan, and this is the new whip, you know that we're riding, ride or die, the fucking wheel full up, a nigga always standing, taller than your mama, hey, what been saying, hey, never listen to it, hey, that just fucking spreading, hey, lies everywhere, hey, they never can kill that vibe that we bring, hey, every day we on it, yes, we on it, hey, we never gonna stop, yeah, we told you so before, yeah, you should have listened up, yeah, the movement just getting stronger, red light, on the green light, let's try, red light, on the green light, let's try, summertime, let's try, out of the whip, that's the German whip, out of the whip, that's the German whip, out of the whip, that's the Japanese, out of the whip, that's the French, out of the whip, that's the German, out of the whip, that's the French, out of the whip, that was Italian though, out of the whip, hey.
Space melody on the beat. Space melody on the beat. On the beat. Space melody on the beat. 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 Space melody on the beat. On the beat. Space melody on the beat. 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 Space melody on the beat. On the beat. Space melody on the beat. 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 Space melody on the beat. On the beat. Space melody on the beat. 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 Space melody on the beat. On the beat. Space melody on the beat. On the beat. on the beat, space melody, on the beat, on the beat, on the beat, on the beat, on the beat.